Never forget the initial heart is the beginning mind of Aplong. The mobile phone spare parts industry exists from Beeper in 1990 to Nokia in 2000 and Apple in 2010. The mobile phone industry has been developing for a long time. However, there is no iconic brand in mobile phone parts area from 1990. From 1990 to 2015, there were only full original and original material made products for repair and refurbishing industry. Therefore, the quality was always being good and stable. Since 2015, the quantity of original products have been decreasing sharply, so many factories had to manufacture aftermarket products by themselves to meet the market demand. Due to the limitation of technology, the quality of products was very unstable. We met a series of problems, such as touch and display issues. At that moment, we started to think of our brand positioning. Products we produced by professional technology should be worthy of consumers and users in the market. There are various qualities in mobile phone parts field. The Aplong brand accumulates our 10-year experience and mature technology, aiming to produce the best quality product with the most reasonable price. We strive to be the same as the original quality under the permittive laws and regulations. We are well aware that Chinese distributors and end users have been struggling with the problem of replacement of mobile phone parts. During those years, many customers had unpleasant cooperation with Chinese suppliers due to bad quality products. They lost too much money, and even the company went bankrupt. Until the appearance of Aplong brand, customers don't have headache of the quality issue and after sales problem anymore, and gather years of accumulated experience and resources in the market to re-customize the mobile phone screen. Our products also included original products. We do not deny that some products are developed together with other suppliers for better quality resources. In the current 3C spare parts industry, we can provide customers with one-stop shopping and guarantee the stable good quality by 90 points or more. We had been the distributor of Apple's original products, experienced the shop operation in Huachang North, and crossed over to the brand management. Such a company is the only one in the market. Therefore, Aplong stands for high quality and represents a kind of responsible performance for the product. It represents the redefinition of 3C parts industry. All in Aplong, all by Aplong. The screens, batteries, back covers, and flex cables that are seen in the market, as long as you see the Aplong logo, represent the high reputation, stable quality, and reasonable price. It is the preferred brand in phone parts. But we promise that, although we are not doing the best now, we hope to do better. No best, only better, is what we are pursuing. In phone parts area, we not only do well for screen alone, but to reinvent the phone parts. Not only to solve a single problem of screen, but to do the best in the whole industry.